Hi guys, welcome back to another walking video. Today we're walking along the high street of Chang, along the main white sands stretch road. Take you for a little tour. A little bit windy this morning. Supposed to brighten up about 10 o'clock, or warm up rather. So that should be quite nice. Can see exactly why this place has been voted the second most beautiful place in the world. I mean, it really is stunning. I mean, where else, can you get a view like this? The mountains, and to my left here is where most of the little roads lead down to the beach, which is just as stunning. I had an amazing meal last night at the Back Resort. Food was, my goodness, probably one of the best meals I've ever had here in Thailand. And you know, that's really saying something, because the majority of the food is great. In my opinion, it's worth getting on that plane just for the food alone. And with all the added beauty, got all the bacon, so it's an absolutely perfect holiday. I will definitely be returning later on this year. And planning our next family holiday, which will be absolutely stunning. If anybody's ever coming to Koh Chang and you can't find anything online, there are still plenty of guest houses here that quite often have availability that aren't online. A lot of them go by word of mouth. I mean, I've stayed in some wonderful guest house, you know, where they've literally treated you like a member of the family. Not to mention being treated to beautiful Thai food every night. It's like the best. This is a fabulous little coffee shop. It's so pretty as well. I love it. And here we are. That's just across the road from the Orange Exchange. The coffee there is fabulous. I'm a little coffee monster this holiday. But usually, I am surprised by the amount of wheat bars that have popped up. I mean, my goodness. So, seriously, they're like everywhere. Must have spotted at least 20 of them here along the high street. Which, I mean, you know, if that's your thing, then great, but never saw that one coming. With them legalising it, but like everything else, everyone took the piss out of that. But, you know, good luck to them, is what I'd say. Makes you happy, they do it. Not that I condone it, but you know, I don't control what we do. Sun's just coming out, it's nice. Tattoo shop there. Might just indulge while I'm here. May as well add another one to the collection, why not? Only live once. Very addictive. Lovely little hotel actually. Breakfast was fantastic there. Stayed there last time I came. get all your bits and bobs that you may need. If you're planning on coming to Koh Chang, then I would definitely recommend. So I mean, the whole of Thailand is very family-orientated place, and I just love it. Fell in love with it the first time I came nearly 20 years ago, and still feel the same way. I just don't seem to get bored of Thailand. What isn't there to love? Hot weather, beautiful scenery, fantastic food. It's cheap. Well, compared to European standards, prices. I mean, you can get a full main meal for as little as 60 baht, which is a little over, 125, 130, maybe a wee bit more. You just can't go wrong with it. And even in restaurants, you might pay up to 200 baht for a main meal. But again, it's just next to nothing for a main meal. It's like a nice little place. Pretty and pink. Looks like a big bar. Bit anabrod like that. So if any of you have been to Koh Chang, and if you've stayed in any of the little guest houses or anything like that, for any recommendations, please do pop them in the comments. As in a few days I will be looking for another vacancy. Any recommendations, please do let me know. Appreciate that. And in turn, if there's anything you'd like to ask me or go and check out for you, again, pop it in the comments. Be happy to help. And Koh Chang. And there's another little standing temple. So you'll find these scattered all over Thailand. And they're generally for people who are on the go, working, would like to pay their respects to the Buddha and give them an offering. So they're basically on their way, like during the day, they come out, give a little offering and a little prayer, and off to work as they go. So for those of you that didn't know that, it's something that you've learnt today. I still remember the first time I visited a temple in Bangkok, just across the road from Koh San Road, and it was absolutely stunning. So nice. There's 15 palms there. It's David's Friends Hotel. I'll be popping in there later on and see if they have any vacancies. They say they're full online, but that isn't necessarily always the case. You just can't beat the backdrop of this place. This is the second biggest island in Thailand after Phuket, and it's the least harassed island that I've been to. I mean, if you say no, you don't want to buy something, they just accept it. They don't try and harass you to buy it, which is nice. I don't like being harassed. As to anything that you particularly enjoy doing in Koh Chang. I'm going to take a turn back now, take a walk back. So if you've done any activities, then let me know what you did. I may well just book up that little excursion myself. Right guys, I'm going to bring this walking tour to an end now. I'm going to grab myself some coffee, and until the next one, I look forward to your comments. Thanks everybody. Till the next. Bye.